Today we are going to start our lesson second, and we have to revise this. And before our exams, so before our exams, these exams, our exams will commence from 19 September. So before that, we have to revise all syllabus, complete syllabus. We have to revise. So the lesson number 2, and the name of this lesson is "We are not afraid to die if we can all be together." तो मीन टू से क्या है कि हमें मरने से नहीं डरना चाहिए कि जब हम सब इकट्ठे हों, साथ हों। तो यहाँ पे कौन है इकट्ठे, कौन है साथ में, तो ये यहाँ पे बताया है और ये कह रहे हैं कि किस तरह से। अब मैं पहले, इससे पहले हम बात करें, सो दिस लेसन इज रिटन बाय एलन ईस्ट एंड गॉर्डन कुक। सो दिस लेसन इज रिटन बाय गॉर्डन कुक and Alan East. So they both are the writer of this one, Gordon Cook and Alan East. So how what this lesson is telling us? क्या बताते हैं? जो गॉर्डन कुक है और एलन ईस्ट है, नरेटर जो है इस कहानी के, जो वो खुद they wants to go on a trip. He was a businessman. He was 37 years old, and he was a businessman, and he wanted to go on a world tour. And when complete family members are with him, so just like this, his wife is also there. His wife, his son, and his daughter. So wife, son, and daughter. Son name is his wife name is Mary, and son name is Jonathan, and daughter name is Sujani, and he himself. There are 4 members, and these 4 members are going on a trip. And this lesson is written by Gordon Cook and Alan East. The story is about a 37 years old businessman. So there is a businessman who is telling his story, businessman, and he was 37 years old, and he decided to go on a world trip. और वो उसने एक वर्ल्ड ट्रिप पे जाने की सोची, बिकॉज ही वांटेड टू कॉपी, या ही वांटेड टू डू द फेमस वर्क लाइक कैप्टन जेम्स कुक। जस्ट लाइक दिस कैप्टन जेम्स कुक ने जिस तरह से दुनिया घूमी थी एक बोट में, एक वी कैन से शिप में, तो उसी तरह से जो कौन है राइटर है, जो बिजनेसमैन है, वो उसी की कॉपी करना चाहते हैं। एंड Jonathan age is 6 years old, Susan is 7 years old, and his wife don't know what is the age of his wife. But the writer is, businessman, okay, age is given here, he is 37 years old. So he has a wife and named Mary, and 2 children, Jonathan and Sujane. Sujane is 7 years old, and Jonathan is 6 years old. And he and his wife both dream of a voyage. Voyage mean, what is the mean of voyage? समुद्र में जो यात्रा की जाती है, that is called voyage. Okay, voyage around the world on their ship Wave Walker. So in which ship they are going for world tour, that name, the ship name was Wave Walker, and its length was 20 meter. The length of the wave walker of the ship was 23 meters, and the weight of that ship was 30 ton. Length LENGTH of the ship was, how many? 23 meter. 23 meters, and the weight of the ship was 30 ton. Yes, and the whole family started sailing from Plymouth. They started their journey from Plymouth. From Plymouth, they started their journey. Yes, and they want to voyage, they want to go on trip for the world, complete world, and started a trip from Plymouth. Plymouth. Yes, and England on July 1976. And when, कहाँ से स्टार्ट की? फ्रॉम प्लाईमाउथ. और कब की? 1976. 1976 जुलाई 1976 में उन्होंने ये स्टार्ट की. और ये प्लाईमाउथ कहाँ पे है? प्लाईमाउथ जो है वो इंग्लैंड में है. इंग्लैंड के प्लाईमाउथ से उन्होंने अपनी जर्नी जुलाई 96 को स्टार्ट की. And the initial phase of 3 years long journey was from Africa to Cape Town. Okay, अफ्रीका टू केप टाउन. फर्स्ट जो ट्रिप थी उनकी, पहली वाली जो ट्रिप थी, अफ्रीका टू केप टाउन. एंड इट वाज सक्सेसफुल. इट वाज सक्सेसफुल. पहले वाली जो ट्रिप थी वो सक्सेसफुल रही. एंड इट वाज प्लेजेंट व्हाइल हीडिंग ईस्ट along with 2 newly hired crewmen. ओके, उन्होंने केप टाउन से 2 क्रूमैन भी अपने साथ लिए. ओके, स्ट्रॉन्ग वेव्स हिट देम एंड देयर सर्वाइवल बिकेम ए क्वेश्चन. ओके, उसके बाद उसके जहाज को कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आने शुरू हो जाती हैं. एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग वेव्स हिट देम एंड देयर सर्वाइवल बिकेम ए क्वेश्चन. द स्टोरी टेल्स अस अबाउट हाउ दे fought each day and survived till the end. So we are going to read more about this lesson in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.